हमारे जो क्लाइंट्स है महीने महीने का उनका बजट 3 करोड़ 4 करोड़ होता है, लेकिन वो उससे 300 करोड़ 400 करोड़ का सेल्स भी निकालते हैं।
One thing which everybody thinks about science is you need to be an expert to enter into it. I personally don't believe.
That's a formula that I use, 3D formula, that is going to help a lot of founders and anybody who's trying to get into something.
So what is that one thing, no matter how many competitors you will have, they can never copy that you have? Hello everyone, I'm Sakshi Avdut and we have this interesting panel here. So let me just take you through what they do and we'll just try to understand what they do and take insights, learning and everything that we need to take from here today. So we have Aditya Jha here from Sosic Media and it's something very interesting. Have you spoken about or heard about real estate and in that marketing? That's something of a combination we have today. We have Ayushi Shah here and we might be wondering how are the houses looking so amazing at Ambani's and other people's life out there. She's doing something interesting in the landscape industry. And then we have Jhalak. Jhalak, she is something interesting in media related, in medical field. When we talk about medical field, we have so many, interesting things happening today. And she has taken it one top notch in that, talking about the medical affairs, the scientific communicator. So just try to understand a little more about these founders. I would like the founders to introduce a bit more about them. Aditya?
Hello, myself Aditya Jha, founder of Sosic Media. So what we do is we manage crores in ad campaigns. आप जो डेवलपर्स का बैनर्स बाहर देखते हो, लोधा, गोदरेज, DLF, कमीलियाज एंड ऑल, सो वो प्रोडक्ट तो बना देते हैं, लेकिन सबसे हार्ड पार्ट होता है प्रोडक्ट को बेचना। सबसे हार्ड पार्ट और सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट, हमारे सर भी एक रियल इस्टेट में, तो उनको वो चीज़ बहुत अच्छे से पता है। तो व्हाट वी डू इज़ हम उनका प्रोडक्ट बेच के देते हैं। एंड येस, वी आर नॉट ब्रोकर्स, वी आर इनटू परफॉर्मेंस मार्केटिंग। सो वी केटर टू साइकोलॉजी ऑफ HNIs। जिन बिजनेस ओनर्स के पास 15 करोड़ 20 करोड़ है इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए, हम उनका अटेंशन खींचते हैं। और जैसे डेवलपर्स है बहुत बड़े बड़े जो मुंबई जैसे सब्स में, और हम दुबई में भी काम करते हैं, जो मुंबई दुबई में जो बड़े बड़े डेवलपर्स हैं उनको अपना प्रोडक्ट बेचना होता है। सो हम उनके प्रोडक्ट की एडवर्टीजमेंट साइकोलॉजी और AI की हेल्प से वैसे इन्वेस्टर्स को दिखाते हैं जिनके पास 15 करोड़ 20 करोड़ 25 करोड़ 4 करोड़ 10 करोड़ इतने पैसे हैं, ताकि वो डायरेक्टली उनसे कनेक्ट कर सके और फिर उनका एक रेवेन्यू बने जिसका एक छोटा सा चंक हम भी ले सकें। सो दैट्स हाउ वी मेक मनी एंड दैट्स व्हाट आवर बिजनेस इज।
Hi, I'm Ayushi Shah, founder of Amaltas Landscapes. We create outdoor spaces, we design them, and it's something that is going to improve the quality of life and overall experiences that you're going to have. Many things that are going around in this field that's related to architecture and wellness and all these things. We are quite there out there to create spaces that make you bridge the gap between being in a space and feeling that space. So yeah.
Hi, I hope everybody can hear me. So, I basically work for science and it has a big impact, definitely. Medical field, everybody would be like, oh, heavy words and scientific accuracy and everything. But I basically work to simplify it for the people it is made for. I work with brands, wellness brands, hospitals, pharma companies who want to reach the people in a very impactful and accessible way. So when science starts, it's with very heavy scientific words like this research has been done, this is the cure of it, this is the heaviness of it, these are the symptoms. But the end user, the people who it is made for, actually don't know anything about it. They need to have a bit of understanding of why they need this. Only then I think science can be impactful, and that's how we help companies or hospitals by creating events, awareness, and launch plans around the people instead of just around the science.
That's interesting and amazing. So I'll start with you, Jhalak. So one thing I wanted to understand, who is your real audience? Is it the public? Is it the doctors? Or is it the healthcare industry all in all? And how do you go about it? What's your selling idea behind it? And how do you actually put forward yourself when you are like dealing with them?
So definitely the end user is the people, and the whole healthcare industry works for it. So we can't be like we're not working for the people, but that's where the money is not coming from. So for me in particular, or my company in particular, the money comes from when we work with companies, hospitals, and the wellness brands, or anybody who is into the healthcare industry. But the idea is to make it more people centric. It has to be about the people. It doesn't have to be what the product is or what just the science behind it is. The people need to understand. The gap is very huge of what we bring to the table and what people are taking out of it. Because they don't understand the jargon language of a scientist. It
Right.
has to be simplified. It has to be made more people friendly in a way. कि लोगों को समझ आए. अगर मैं बोल रही हूँ कि अरे इसके सिम्टम्स ये हैं तो आप ये दवाई ले लो, बट दे ऑल्सो नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि क्यों लेनी है. अगर उनको रिलीफ नहीं मिल रही है उस दवाई से, वाई विल दे स्टिल टेक इट फॉर द डे थिंग?
Right.
दे स्टिल नीड टू टेक इट. दे नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि उसका आपको सोल्यूशन 3-4 दिन बाद ही मिलेगा. Why COVID became such a huge thing? Because people were lacking understanding about what they need to exactly do. Masks is very basic. We had it since ages. It's not like masks अभी आने शुरू हुए, पर वो सिर्फ डॉक्टर्स और नर्सेस पहनते आए. When there was a need of the hour, everybody had to wear it. So people need to know why it is important, not just for who.
Right, I agree. And a lot of times we don't understand what is the gap, and you are just filling in that gap. That's very fantastic work that you're doing. So, coming to Ayushi, when people talk about landscapes, what is the first reaction you get? Because when you put yourself out there to investors or any of the people out there, they might be questioning what exactly is done and how is it all taken. Can you just take us through the process of how it's done?
Yeah. So, am I audible? Yeah. So, gardens have been a part of our lives since ages. इंडियन आप हिस्ट्री देखोगे उसमें भी आम के बाग होते थे, चीकू के बाग होते थे. गार्डन्स हैव बीन एन इंटीग्रल पार्ट ऑफ आवर लाइव्स. इट्स जस्ट now the gardens that we are designing and developing are productive, and they are more towards a wellness point of view that makes you feel calm. As we are living, most of the people are now living in a concrete jungle. We are living in cities, we don't even have a planted pot in our house. So that kind of a gap that we are having from nature, human as a species is supposed to be connected to nature. We have been in that way. Now the things have changed. So we are trying to do this thing. And when people come to me and talk to me, ki exactly hai kya? When I go and tell somebody that I'm a landscape designer, most of the people don't even know. Because it's never being actually being said about it, talked about it. एंड उस चीज़ को समझाना मेरे लिए भी एक टास्क होता था स्टार्टिंग में, बट नाउ आई हैव गॉट अ हैंग ऑफ इट. द रीज़न वाई, बिकॉज आई एम वेरी मच इन टू इट. आई टोटली फील दैट जितना ज़्यादा आप नेचर से नज़दीक जाओगे, यू विल बी एबल टू एक्सप्लोर योर सेल्फ बेटर. एंड दैट्स हाउ आई एक्सप्लेन दैट लैंडस्केप इज़ अ फील्ड वेयर you bring yourself closer to nature, and you're still a part of that society where structure and linear and everything is just being so much like talked about. So yeah.
Got it. So how do you find clients, or how do clients find you? How is because landscape is something not lot of people actually look for. The very specific people who think about, oh my God, wellness is something that I really need in my life. At that time, people start seeking out. So how do you get your clients? How does that drill work?
So most of our clients who come to us are, most of the times they're unaware what they're looking for. They want something green and it should look good. So that's how people come to us and they approach us. We educate them that it's not just greens. It has a lot of science behind it. I work on principles, like whenever we are designing something, there are 3 factors. outer layer is always a form, a structure, a design. The second is functionality. How is that space going to be functional when you're designing a home, when you're designing a building? Like as here in real estate, when you're talking to somebody, when you're pitching something to somebody, what do you say? The ceiling height is this, ये ऐसा है, ये वैसा है. So that's how the thing goes in landscape also. कि हम जो spaces completely transform करना चाहते हैं, उसके पीछे की science we know and people don't know, and we try to bridge that gap and make them understand कि ये इस तरीके से होता है. And that is the functionality of that, कि ये space कैसे functional बनेगा, आप इस जगह पे क्या क्या कर सकते हो, and how is that space going to add value in your life. And the final central part of the whole design is the feeling. That's the place is going to make you feel, because after all आप कुछ भी कर लो, if that thing is giving you that feeling of satisfaction, the after spending a lot of money, or you're launching a product, or you're doing some kind of a business, or you're doing something for yourself, and you're investing your money somewhere. I'm just giving you an example in that case, and how that thing is making you feel is eventually going to make you like tangible. वो चीज़ बनाती है कि ये चीज़ का value क्या है आपकी life में. And that's how we design. These are the 3 circles that we like concentrically we follow them and try to deliver something to our clients.
That's
Yeah.
amazing. So coming to you, Aditya, real estate is a very different business altogether. The ticket size of the people who come to you seeking, or the clients who come with, this is what I want to market, the amount is quite high, and you don't easily market it out or put it out there, and a lot of people might not even believe it that way, ki this is the ad that I'm looking at, maybe this is not something. People will be just like casually, they'll fill a form through ad generation and leads wherever you get it from. So what is that one thing your agency does that make sure that the client and the customer base they are getting is absolutely what they're looking for?
परफेक्ट. सो यहाँ पे जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स बैठे, अगर उनको फ्यूचर में जाके एजेंसी खोलना है, सो इज इज easiest business model to build. You just have to focus on your clients का requirements and one niche. So जहाँ पे मैडम ने पूछा कि रियल इस्टेट में काफ़ी सारे लोग रैंडमली आ जाते हैं, और फिर ये सिर्फ बिजनेस ओनर्स को पता है कि जब आपके पास फेक लीड्स आते हैं, आपके पास किसी काम के लीड्स नहीं है, तो आपको कितना पेन होता है, क्योंकि आप उसके पीछे कुछ एक अमाउंट दिए रहते हो. तो हम यहाँ पे जैसे कि हम ऐड रन करते हैं मेटा एंड गूगल एड्स के हेल्प से, सो हम यहाँ पे लगाते हैं फिल्टर आउट का ऑप्शंस. आप कोई भी इंस्टाग्राम या मेटा पे अगर आपने कुछ बाय किया होगा तो वहाँ पे एक लीड फॉर्म का ऑप्शन आता है. मोस्ट ऑफ द एजेंसी ओनर्स, उनके क्लाइंट्स उनसे खुश इसके लिए नहीं रहते क्योंकि वो फेक लीड्स डिलीवर करते. तो आप अगर यहाँ पे कुछ एजेंसी बिल्ड कर रहे हो ऑलरेडी या फिर बिल्ड करना चाहते हो, सो ऑलवेज फोकस ऑन टारगेटिंग एंड लीड फॉर्म्स. आप लीड फॉर्म्स में फिल्टर लगा सकते हो कि अगर स्पेसिफिक लीड ने ये स्पेसिफिक आंसर फिल आउट किया तो फॉर्म विल गेट क्लोज्ड. वो स्पेसिफिक ऑडियंस आगे बढ़ ही नहीं सकता. सो दैट्स हाउ वी केटर टू ओनली HNI क्लाइंट्स एंड द रियल टाइम पासेस फॉर्म एग्जिट हो जाते. सो आवर क्लाइंट्स सेल लग्जरी यूनिट्स एंड मेक अ गुड हेल अमाउंट ऑफ मनी एंड वी टेक अ चंक ऑफ इट. सो that's how
So
it,
it's like sanitization and
Yes,
a hygiene
sanitization,
check
yes,
is
yes.
very important.
yes, 100%.
Yes. So coming back to you, Jhalak. So we have this biggest misconception that people have about medical sciences and medical communicators, that maybe they are misguiding at times, and we don't know. There's so many things out there. How can you make sure that when you're portraying your business out there, that there are no miscommunications and you are just putting it right there, right out, ekdam perfectly, and there are no mishaps?
So definitely nobody guarantees mishaps, but one question to back you: how do you know it's not correct? Are you the
So we
science
do
or the-
check a lot of things
How do you
out
check?
there. We search on different
Exactly.
platforms and you just make sure that this is one right thing we are
Exactly.
doing.
You Google it.
Yeah, we Google
nowadays
it,
We ask
news.
AI. So again, these AIs who know the science or the medicine behind it, they are being trained by doctors.
Yeah.
They don't know it by inheriting or just reading the literature. So if your doctor or the person you are going with or reaching out to has the time or a place where they can give you a proper understanding, you will not need any other place to search. There are obviously events for this, and not a lot of people in India know that there are patient events, there are disease awareness events where people don't actually go and talk about this. And that is one thing in the industry where people don't want to come out and bring the attention to themselves.
Yeah.
And it's time that we change it, because बाकी सब तो आ रहे हैं बाहर, they are bringing their attention. तो हमारी इंडस्ट्री में से ही लोग आके बाहर बात करना शुरू कर देंगे, then they will have the trust in you. It's not necessary कि वो misconception change नहीं हो सकता.
So you're saying that maybe a relevant face will help us to make it more smoother and better?
Exactly, it can. अगर if you go to a doctor and he has time, for example, और आपने उसको 2 क्वेश्चन पूछ लिए कि मुझे ये दवाई सुबह ही क्यों लेनी है, why can't I take it after meal because I don't want to do it. He'll explain you the science behind it. He'll explain you why this, and we'll also need to tell them the truth. We can't be like अगर कोई चीज़ हम दवाई दे रहे हैं फीवर उतारने के लिए, हम बोलेंगे इसके बाद आपको कभी फीवर नहीं होगा. तो it's 2 different things. You can't change the meaning of the science behind it. It has to be the same, but it's just a simplified version so that the people can understand it. मुझे ऐसा लगता है पर्सनली, इफ़ पीपल विल गेट इट, वो खुद ही इम्पैक्ट करना शुरू कर देंगे. हमें उनको रोज़ रोज़ रिमाइंडर भेजने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. अनलेस एंड अनटिल इट्स अ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ डिजीज़ या कोई एज ग्रुप में ऐसा है दैट दे कांट रिमेंबर इट, दैट इज़ वेयर स्पेशल केयर इज़ नीडेड, एंड दैट्स व्हाई द इंडस्ट्री एग्जिस्ट्स.
Yeah. Thank you, Jhalak. So coming back to you, Ayushi. So one thing I have noticed that the business that you're doing is very unique and something very different, and people might not be even imagining something like that they can do. And as our previous panel discussed, and they came out with that if you have a solution to any problem, we can figure it out, a way to present it. So when any founder or someone who wants to build something, wants to put a new business with a new niche altogether out there in the audience, how do they start with? What is the marketing mix that they can use? What is the business model that they can use?
So, in this niche, I would say first marketing thing is that you need to educate people that what you're doing. Many people don't know what, like how to grow a plant. It's very common. Nurseries ने और ये सब ने जो बताया है, मालियों ने बताया है, लोकल ने बताया है, उतना ही सबको पता है कि ऐसे करना चाहिए, ऐसा करना चाहिए. So first marketing thing that can be done is actually researching on the thing and then educating people, because that's going to bring out this thing that credibility आती है कि okay, this person knows, this person is aware of what he or she is talking about, and then people try it out. And when they get results, they keep coming up to you, to your channel or your page to understand. And that's how they keep, like our business is majorly spread by word of mouth. Of course, marketing, social media, all of these things and AI has started coming in, and all of these things are being used as an amazing tool. Still, our field that is very close to real estate and architecture, people trust people who have experienced and who know. So that's the first thing. Whosoever wants to get into this business needs to know that okay, you need to check your basics, you need to be out there, you need to be portrayed as credible. You should have that knowledge because you're dealing with live organisms. You're not dealing with something that's non-living. You're not dealing with some permutation, combination and stuff. You're dealing with live organisms. And if you go wrong, they'll die. They're not going to wait for you कि चलो आज नहीं तो मैं कल respond करूँगा. They will die. So that's a thing that you need to be there.
Totally interesting and different. So I think that the marketing needs to be done right, and you need to understand your audience and how you can talk, because word of mouth is something that will work for niche like that. So coming now to Aditya, you mentioned that your business is in Indian market and Dubai market. So when you talk to clients in both the different, so how do you like make your pitches? How do you go about it? When you are, dealing with a different market, the requirements are different. So how do you like try to gauge that one thing that you can give them as an advice or friendly thing that
Hello.
can help them?
तो सबसे बेसिक एडवाइस यहाँ पे जो भी एंटरप्रेन्योर्स अपना बिजनेस बिल्ड करना चाह रहे हैं और जिनको बहुत सारे क्लाइंट चाहिए, अच्छे क्लाइंट चाहिए, सबसे बेसिक एडवाइस ये है, जब भी आप किसी मीटिंग में जाओ, सेल्स पिच पे जाओ, अपने प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बात कम करो, सामने वाले के बारे में बात ज़्यादा करो। उनको क्या चाहिए? मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल फेल इन द बिजनेसेस बिकॉज जब भी वो एक सेल्स पिच करते हैं अपने ही प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बात करते हैं, मेरा प्रोडक्ट ये कर देगा, मेरा प्रोडक्ट वो कर देगा। पहले सामने वाले से पूछो कि उसको ये स्पेसिफिक चीज़ चाहिए भी या नहीं, और फिर आदमी बोर हो जाता है, मीटिंग एंड हो जाती है और फिर कभी सेल होता ही नहीं है। सो व्हेन यू एंटर इन अ मीटिंग, व्हेन आवर टीम एंटर इन एनी मीटिंग, वी फर्स्ट आस्क रिक्वायरमेंट्स, और 90% ऑफ द टाइम हम क्लाइंट से ही सवाल पूछते हैं, आपको क्या चाहिए, कैसा चाहिए, कितने टाइम तक चाहिए, आपका एक्सपेक्टेशंस क्या है, एवरीथिंग। लास्ट 5 मिनट जो रहता है बस उसमें हम हमारा पिच करते हैं एंड वी क्लोज द डील। That's it. That's how simple it is. Never talk about yourself or your product. Always talk about कि सामने वाले को क्या चाहिए, और जो सामने वाले को चाहिए उसी के solution में अपना product pitch करो. That's it.
That's amazing advice. So coming to you, Jhalak, when we are dealing with something in medical, what is that one advice that you would like to give to people, and what is that one thing you have heard which almost made you discouraged, but then something backed you up? So like, how do you stay focused? And also because I feel that dealing with something that you have to keep proving yourself is very difficult. So how do you maintain that?
So in particular, if I talk about the healthcare industry, one thing which is very difficult with these days is marketing agencies can do it. They can simplify it, put it in a creative way and market it. Why would we need you? For example, that's one challenge. But they don't know the science behind it. They don't know what people need. They don't understand the need of the people. They don't understand what they're suffering through. That's the reason you need to have this. I always say this one thing which I use in my business. A good healthcare has a pulse. And pulse has a full form. It's called P for people-centric, U for understanding the gap, L for literature rooted, the S stands for strategy and storytelling, and the E is for education and empowerment. And this is how the framework works. This is how the industry is rooted into it also. Every step of the industry has its own way of working, and we need a bridge in it. And people like me are trying to become that bridge of presenting the companies in front of the people and presenting people inside the company. There needs to be a bit of transparency, not 100% of course because they don't understand the science maybe, but a transparent path for them to get into it. They need to know that they are part of it because they are in the center and we revolve around them, not the other way around.
So coming to you, Ayushi. So what is that one thing in business that you keep measuring every day? That this is something that I need to check every day no matter what?
The first thing that every day we check is mainly whatever the number of projects that we are doing, we manage and we create a log of what stage we are at, what is to be coming next, and how the things are working. If there's some troubleshooting thing that we need to do, और कोई भी और प्रॉब्लम या फिर कोई भी और चीज़ आ रही है हमारे रास्ते में, तो उसको क्लियर आउट करना. दैट इज़ द फर्स्ट थिंग आई डू विथ माई टीम. एवरी डे इन द मॉर्निंग आई सिट एंड आई टॉक, ओके कल का क्या क्या इशूज़ है दैट वी नीड टू रिजॉल्व, एंड हाउ कैन वी मेक इट स्मूदर so that this does not happen again. So that's something we dedicate.
Because usually the timelines are longer for your
Yes.
projects.
Yes.
So I was just inquisitive. What is that one funny story you would like to share which totally changed your way of looking at the things, that way you looked at in business before?
फ़नी स्टोरी तो नहीं कह सकते हैं, बट या थोड़ा सा ऐसा था कि वन ऑफ आवर क्लाइंट्स लॉन्ग बैक व्हेन आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड ऑफ, दे वर लाइक आप जो कर रहे हो वो कुछ अलग नहीं है, ये तो मैं किसी को बुला के करवा लूँगा. मैंने कहा ओके सर, नो प्रॉब्लम, आप एक बार ट्राई कीजिए, बिकॉज व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग टू प्रोवाइड Mali is never going to get through that, because we are going to be backed with research, we are going to have that aesthetic sense, and we are going to understand okay ये direction है, इस तरीके की चीज़ें, या आपका जोग्राफिकल लोकेशन क्या है. माली आपको वही देगा जिससे उसको बेनिफिट होने वाला है. So most of the malis and everyone work in this thing कि कुछ जो अच्छा दिख रहा है वो डाल दो, बचेगा कि मरेगा वो क्लाइंट के ऊपर है या वो केयर टेकर के ऊपर है. बट हमारा ये होता है कि कैसे नहीं बचेगा. वी हैव टू बी सो श्योर वेन एवर वी आर प्लांटिंग समथिंग और वी आर डूइंग समथिंग, सो it should survive. So that client ended up doing the whole garden on their own and failed miserably because in 6 months he did it in February and the whole summer was so harsh that the garden completely vanished. Like not even a single tree survived. And then after like during monsoon he called us कि ऐसा हो गया है. मैंने कहा मेरे को तो पता था but ठीक है, I wanted you to give it a shot. So then after that he did not question us at all and he gave us a free hand कि आप करो. And now it's been 5 years, that garden is going great and the day we planted the things there is zero mortality because of course weather was lucky for us. We started our work during monsoon, but yeah, eventually 5 years, 5 summers the garden has seen. So it's going strong and it's going good. So that's something that was there for me.
That's interesting. So coming to you, Aditya. So when we talk about marketing, we have so many agencies today, and the field is very competitive when we talk about the real estate part of it. So despite of having so many competitors, one thing is for sure that you have your own, playbook sort of thing that, helps you to guide that this is how I want to navigate. So what is that one thing, no matter how many competitors you will have, they can never copy that you have?
Yeah, so perfect question for me. So look, we are into money business. So most of the marketing agencies, वो आपको रील दे देंगे, कंटेंट दे देंगे, फोटोज बना के दे देंगे, बट आप हमेशा वही बिजनेस बिल्ड करो जिसके हेल्प से आपके क्लाइंट्स के बिजनेस पे इम्पैक्ट पड़े. एंड वी आर इन द मनी बिजनेस, हमारे हेल्प से क्लाइंट के डायरेक्ट बिजनेस पे इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है. सो हमारे क्लाइंट्स कौन है? मारवाड़ीज, गुजरातीज, अंकल्स जिनके पास बहुत पैसा पड़ा है, वो बिल्डर्स है. दे डोंट केयर अबाउट द सोशल मीडिया. उनको कितना पोस्ट, कितना रीच, कितना रील जा रहा है, दे डोंट इवन केयर. उनको सिर्फ एक चीज़ से फ़र्क पड़ता है, उनका माल बिकना चाहिए और हमारे काम से उनका माल बिकता है. सो वी आर इन द मनी बिजनेस. हमारे क्लाइंट्स को सिर्फ उसी चीज़ से फ़र्क होता है और दैट्स वाई मेरे पहले जो एजेंसीज आए थे हमने उनको काफ़ी सो वी आर ए 3 year old एजेंसी. जो 7-8 साल से एजेंसी थे, हम उनको कब का आउट परफॉर्म कर चुके हैं. रीज़न बीइंग वो ऐसा चीज़ क्लाइंट्स को प्रोवाइड करते जिससे रियल बिजनेस में कुछ आउटपुट ही नहीं आता है. कंटेंट से बहुत कम आउटपुट आता है रेदर देन परफॉर्मेंस मार्केटिंग. सो
That's fantastic. So coming to the open discussion and questions out for the panelists. Anyone who want to ask questions to our panelist? Yes, please pass the mic.
Hello. So my question is to you, Aditya. So ये आइडिया आया कहाँ से? Where did you find this gap? क्योंकि मार्केटिंग तो हमने बहुत ज़्यादा जार्गन सुना है, बट ये गैप मिला कहाँ से? हाउ डू यू स्टिक टू इट एवरी डे?
हाँ जी, तो इसका आंसर बहुत कॉन्ट्रोवर्शियल लग सकता है, बट इसका आंसर है पैसा. टू बी ऑनेस्ट, शुगर कोट करके आई वोंट टेल यू कि मेरा विजन था, मिशन था, रियल इस्टेट को चेंज करना था, वर्ल्ड चेंज करना था. नो, रियल आंसर इज़ मनी. आई वेंट वेयर माई क्लाइंट्स आर रिच, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. और जहाँ पे आपके कस्टमर्स के पास पैसा है, दे विल मेक श्योर कि इफ़ यू हेल्प देम मेक मनी, दे विल हेल्प यू मेक मनी. दैट्स इट, सिंपल आंसर.
बट हाउ डिड यू नो कि यही ढूंढे?
हाँ जी, परफेक्ट. सो मैं डायरेक्टली रियल इस्टेट में नहीं स्टार्ट किया था. सो आई एम जस्ट 21 year old. When I started, I was in my second year of my college. So मैं बहुत ज़्यादा यंग हूँ. So जब मैं second and I am a college dropout student. So जब मैं second year में था, I wanted to start something. मुझे jobs नहीं करनी थी, to be honest. मैं खुद का लाख रुपए कमाऊँ वो better है किसी के job के यहाँ पे 2 लाख कमाऊँ उससे ज़्यादा. तो मैंने सब चीज़ें ट्राई की. I went to gyms, I went to restaurants, I went to hotels, I went to spas, everything, every niche I tried. Then I realized कि भाई you should always opt for paths where there are money, because बिजनेस में सब कुछ आ जाए लेकिन सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ होता है वो है मनी. अगर आपके पास पैसा ही नहीं आएगा, आप कितना भी अपना सोशल मीडिया ग्रो कर लो, आपके रील्स पे व्यूज आ जाए, आपका बिजनेस नहीं सर्वाइव करने वाला है. करेक्ट? सो यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन मनी एंड यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन स्केलेबिलिटी. और रियल एस्टेट ऐसा मार्केट है जो कभी खत्म नहीं होने वाला है. सबको एक ना एक दिन घर लेना है और इसके लिए मार्केट में हर दिन एक नया बिल्डर, हर दिन एक नया ब्रोकर आ रहा है. और जब तक मार्केट में बिल्डर्स एंड ब्रोकर्स आते रहेंगे हमारा क्लाइंट बेस बढ़ता रहेगा. दैट्स इट. सो दैट्स हाउ आई चोज रियल एस्टेट बिकॉज आई ट्राइड एवरी नीश. दैट्स इट.
Great answer. All the very best.
This will be the last question, guys.
व्हाट एग्जैक्टली डू यू मीन बाय परफॉर्मेंस मार्केटिंग? मतलब आपका वैल्यू एडिशन क्या है एक बिजनेस में? आपने बोला कि यू वांट टू मेक एन एक्चुअल इम्पैक्ट टू द बिजनेस, रियल वर्ल्ड उनको सेल्स इंक्रीज होना चाहिए. व्हाट डू यू डू दैट एंश्योर्स दैट?
हाँ जी. सो परफेक्ट. सो वी आर वेरी स्पेसिफिक नीश बिजनेस. हम सिर्फ रियल इस्टेट में काम करते हैं और रियल इस्टेट में भी हम 10 चीज़ें नहीं करते. हम रियल इस्टेट में सिर्फ और सिर्फ परफॉर्मेंस मार्केटिंग करते हैं. परफॉर्मेंस मार्केटिंग का मतलब है आप जो यूट्यूब पे एड्स देखते हो, आप जो इंस्टाग्राम पे एड्स देखते हो, आप जो फेसबुक पे एड्स देखते हो, किसी डेवलपर का, किसी प्रोजेक्ट का, आप कोई महंगा प्रोजेक्ट का अगर आपको ऐड दिखा, सो देयर आर 90% चांसेस कि वो हमारे क्लाइंट्स है. सो कोई प्रोजेक्ट का एडवर्टीजमेंट हम करते, उस स्पेसिफिक प्रोजेक्ट को लेके कंटेंट बनाने से लेके एडवर्टीजमेंट करने से लेके वी मैनेज क्रॉर्स इन एड कैंपेन्स. हमारे जो क्लाइंट्स हैं महीने महीने का उनका बजट 3 करोड़ 4 करोड़ होता है, लेकिन वो उससे 300 करोड़ 400 करोड़ का सेल्स भी निकालते हैं. एज आई टोल्ड यू कि हम 30 40 करोड़ के अपार्टमेंट्स के इंक्वायरीज हम हमारे क्लाइंट्स को ला के देते हैं वाया इंस्टाग्राम एंड फेसबुक. वी टारगेट पीपल जो HNIs है, जिनके बड़े बड़े टेक्सटाइल के बिजनेसेस है, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग बिजनेसेस है. सो जब आपके पास वो क्लाइंट्स आते हैं, आप एज अ डेवलपर आपके पास वो क्लाइंट्स आएंगे, आपका 30 करोड़ का अपार्टमेंट बिका और उस 30 करोड़ के अपार्टमेंट के बदले कोई आपसे अगर 10 लाख रुपए मांगेगा एज एन सर्विस फी, जैसे हम जैसे लोग, तो आप उसको खुशी खुशी दे दोगे क्योंकि आपका 30 करोड़ का माल बिका और सामने वाला आपसे उस चीज़ का 10 लाख रुपए मांग रहा है. सो दैट्स इट. तो दैट्स हाउ वी इम्पैक्ट बिजनेसेस. उनका माल बेच के देते और दैट्स इट. And that's how we are still surviving.
So one closing quote I would like all the founders to give all the audience here sitting here, which is that one closing motivational quote you will leave them today with. Jhalak, starting from you.
So I would say this one thing which everybody thinks about science is you need to be an expert to enter into it. I personally don't believe in it. I believe you can never learn the full science in one sitting, or you'll think I'll be the expert and then I'll enter. That never comes. So enter it and you will start learning way more than what you would have thought about.
Ayushi.
So that's a formula that I use, 3D formula. That is going to help a lot of founders and anybody who's trying to get into something. First, D stands for dedication. Second, D stands for in Hindi if you say, आपको सबसे पहले धैर्य चाहिए, फिर धक्के खाने की ताकत चाहिए, और सबसे तीसरा और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट, ये दोनों कर लोगे तो धन तो मिल ही जाएगा. सो या.
Lovely. Aditya.
तो ध्यान से सुनना. स्टे स्मॉल इनफ, लॉन्ग इनफ एंड यू विल बी बिग इनफ. सॉरी. स्टे स्मॉल इनफ, लॉन्ग इनफ, यू विल बी बिग इनफ सून इनफ. सो आप जैसे जैसे अपनी कंपनी बढ़ाते हो, आप जैसे जैसे अपनी टीम साइज बढ़ाते हो, आपका रेवेन्यू बढ़ता है. ट्राई करो आपके खर्चे उतने ही रहे. मोस्ट ऑफ द बिजनेसेस फेल्स, मोस्ट ऑफ द एंटरप्रेन्योर्स 3 साल 5 साल के बाद लाखों रुपए करोड़ों रुपए जेब में आ रहे, स्टिल बिजनेसेस फेल बिकॉज जब उनका लाइफस्टाइल बढ़ता है उनके एक्सपेंसेस बढ़ते हैं. तो मेक श्योर करिए जब आपका बिजनेस बढ़े, आपका लाइफस्टाइल बढ़े, आपके खर्चे ना बढ़े.
Quite an interesting and insightful panel. I loved listening to all your answers and insights that we were seeking. Thank you so much for your time.